Welcome to the ACC45 demonstration. To access the ACC45 form, you must first create a booking. From the diary screen, simply double-click on any available time slot and fill in the appointment details. Thereafter, click on the booking to open the sidebar. Go to the Clinical tab, select the ACC45 form from the drop-down and complete it. For a detailed explanation of each section on the form, please refer to the YouTube playlist linked in this video's description. Once you've filled in the form, click Complete and the system will review your form and provide feedback at the top of the form. If you received a rejection, go back to the Active Form section and simply copy your current ACC45 form. Correct your errors and click Complete to resubmit your form. Once corrected, the status will say Receipted, meaning that the claim is successful. Also, be sure to copy the claim number under the status field as we will be using it in our ACC18 form.